G'day everybody, lay down, relax, light some candles, because today we're going to get into a little bit of Hanky Panky. So what's the Hanky Panky? It's a cocktail. Created in the early 1900s at the Savoy Hotel's American bar in London. My favourite bar in the world. If you go to London, you really have to go and drink a Hanky Panky at the Savoy. Created by Ada Coley Coleman. She was the first ever bar manager at the Savoy Hotel. This bar is world famous, and Ada was lucky enough to make drinks for the Prince of Wales, Charlie Chaplin, Marlene Dietrich, just to name a few. And why was it created? A regular at the American bar at the Savoy was a famous comedian actor called Sir Charles Hawdy. And after working a really long day, he came in and said to Ada, "Collie, I'm tired. Give me something with a little punch in it." Ada spent hours experimenting to make this cocktail for Sir Charles. And when he came in the next time, she said, "Charles, I've got a creation especially for you." He sipped it, and after draining the glass, he looked at her and said, "By Jove, this is the real Hanky Panky." And that's how the cocktail was named. So let's get into it. My first ingredient is 45 mils of sweet vermouth. "45 mils of a really good gin. Today I'm going to use the Never Never Distilling Company's Southern Strength Gin. It is fantastic. The juniper, coriander seed, angelica, and lemon works really well in this cocktail. And it's 52% alcohol. Hell yeah. And the last ingredient is a bar spoon of Fernet Branca. We're going to stir this cocktail with ice. And strain into a Nicanora glass or a coupette. And guys, for the garnish, I'm going to do an orange zest, but only after you hit subscribe, hit like, and comment below. Let me know, do you like the Hanky Panky cocktail? Have you been to the Savoy? Let me know in the comments below. And guys, there you have the Hanky Panky. See you all next time.